In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install the 5D Plus plugin in SketchUp, step by step, the easy way. By the end of this, you'll have 5D Plus fully loaded inside SketchUp, with its toolbar active and ready to use, so you can use its amazing automations. First things first, you want to get the plugin from the right place. Open your browser and head to the official site, 5dplus.info. There are other plugins here that are free that you can use, but for now we will only focus on the paid 5D Plus extension. Feel free to browse the site for more information about the product. Now for the pricing. You can choose what best applies to you. There's a $6 per month subscription, a $60 permanent license for one user, $80 for 3 users, and a $230 business license for 10 users. Clicking either of these will lead you to another page where you can purchase the plugin. Here, we'll try to purchase the $80 license. Clicking it will lead you to the paywall by card or PayPal. Just fill in the necessary details for purchase and then you're good to go. An email will be sent to you with a license and a link to download the plugin through Lemon Squeezy. Now here's an email that will be sent to you, a download link and a license key for your plugin. Depending on what you purchased, the users can use this single license key. Now when you click the download link, you will be redirected to Lemon Squeezy. It's a platform similar to Gumroad. You will need to register on this site if you don't have one, or sign in if you already have an account. Input your email address that you used in the purchase, and you'll be directed to this order log with the download link and license. Clicking your orders will show the download link and the license. When I purchased this before, it gave me 2 versions. I just downloaded the recent version. This license is also the same as the one emailed to you, so you can use either one of them. Now we'll install it into SketchUp. Open your Extension Manager by clicking on Extensions. Then Extension Manager. Here you can see I already loaded the plugins, but you can do it too by clicking on the Install Extension. Here we will load the extension, click Open, and you'll see the 5D Plus extension here enabled. You may find this icon of the plugin, and clicking it will show you this interface. To manage and activate your plugin, click this gear button and head on to Manage License. Input your email address and paste the license key to activate your 5D Plus plugin. That's it! Your license is now activated. For updates, a red dot will be shown if a new version is available. Just click it and it will ask you to install the new version. Here I have the recent updated version of it. If this helped you get 5D Plus up and running, hit subscribe for more SketchUp architecture tutorials, new ones every week.